Every girl dreams of a dark and beautiful mehendi design on her special day. Here are few tips for beautiful dark color. Let's get into the video. First things first, do ask about the ingredients in the henna paste to prevent allergic reactions if any. Different artists may use different ingredients in their henna paste. Do all the household chores and get all of your work out of the way before you start the henna. Once henna is applied, your aim is to preserve it. Do exfoliate hands and feet properly. Scrubbing, spa treatments, waxing, shaving, or hair removal helps to exfoliate dead skin, and this must be done at least one day before the application of henna. Do eat, use the necessary facilities, and dress comfortably before getting your henna done. You do not want to disturb your henna art for some time till it dries. Brides are usually advised to keep the henna paste on for an average of 8 to 10 hours if possible. In some cases, brides sleep with their henna overnight. Do not apply sanitizers, lotions, oils, or any petroleum based products before and during the application of henna. Here comes the aftercare. Do not touch the henna design until it is dried as the design gets smudged. Do keep the henna paste on as long as possible, ideally 8 to 10 hours to ensure best results. The longer you leave, darker the stain is. Do not use any blow dryer to dry the henna. Let it dry naturally. Once the henna is dried, do apply sugar sealant. Dab the design gently with a cotton pad. The mixture can be prepared with 1 part of lemon juice and 2 parts of sugar. This is how the design looks when we apply sugar sealant. Once you're done with applying sugar sealant, use stockings or emifix tape to secure the design from peeling off. It does not go all over the bed when you leave henna overnight. When you are ready to remove the henna, apply olive oil and wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Now start scraping it off with a butter knife or an old credit card. Just make sure the tool you are using is not sharp. Do not wash your hands to remove the henna paste. It will affect the oxidation process. Once you scrape off the henna, the fresh stain will be pumpkin orange color and then goes darker over the next 48 hours. Avoid contact with water for the first 24 hours and do use rubber or latex gloves or any protective coverings on the stained areas to help preserve the design. This creates a barrier between your skin and water to protect the design. Do have patience. Henna stains differently on everyone. The staining process of henna is a gradual one and the full color never comes out instantly. I hope these tips will help you to achieve a darker henna stain. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe our channel for more latest videos.